It's Rainbow Ninja here, and this is kind of like a a video that I'm going to be doing with my screen recorder. It's just like a test to see if it works with my new headset here. I'll probably be doing one for Xbox with the HD PVR, but I need to buy one first, hopefully for Christmas, but Christmas is coming in about 3 months, so that'll be a while. From there, I'll be probably trying to get my screen recorder on every single computer video gameplay, but I'll need a better computer later on, which will also cost quite a bit of money. So I'm just using an old computer that my auntie doesn't use anymore, and she gave it to me. Anyways, please like and subscribe. If this gets out there, please like and subscribe. Hit this button right here, the subscribe button. I don't know where it is on public, views public. I don't have that many views, that many subscribers, but I do try to upload a lot, and hopefully I can get to uploading quite a bit. I've only uploaded actually 3 videos, but I try as hard as I can to upload a lot of videos. But if you are wondering why I haven't uploaded in a while, like other than my new Minecraft video, check that out. It's because of my computer, or not my computer, what the heck. I've been drinking, no, just kidding. It's just because of my birthday, and I went on a trip with my dad, because he's a truck driver, like semis and stuff like that. I went on a trip with him, and my birthday was yesterday. It was definitely awesome. I got this headset, and I got one for the Xbox, and it was pretty expensive. I figured out it was like $60. And it's really good. It's supposed to be unbreakable, sort of, like not unbreakable, but it's not fragile, really. Like if you drop it, nothing's gonna smash around or anything. Nothing really will happen unless you take it apart or something like that. I don't know. My mom said it was pretty good. It was more expensive than some Turtle Beaches. Some Turtle Beaches are pretty expensive, some are less expensive. It just matters on which one you get. So anyways, it's gonna be a pretty short video, just because I'm kind of chatting on. It's just a test video. I'll do one for Xbox 360. So in the 3 months time, send me some messages. My gamer tag is Assassin65. I'll put it right here. Just give me a second. Assassin. It's not like Assassin. It's like Assassin, and then 65. That's it right here. You can send me some messages if you want. Send me some messages, and I'll say them in the video. And if you have a YouTube channel, you can send me that, and I'll give a shout out to you in the HD PVR recording test, or I'll call it something like that. I'll make it noticeable. It won't be called like testing 1 2 3 or something, I don't know. But anyways, that's all I really had to say. Like and subscribe, you guys, everything like that. Check out my buddies, my buds, Preb Gamer, COD clips, or Black Ops 2 clips actually. I'll put them down right here. So BO2, and then clips, just like that. And my other friend is Preb Gamer, just like that. So check them out. And that's all I had to say. Remember to like and subscribe. And just comment. Send me some messages to that gamer tag I showed you guys. If you send me a friend request, I will probably most likely accept it, but if I get too many, I will not accept anymore. If you want to play with me, you can just send me a message if I'm on. You can just, send me a game invite, tell me that you're a subscriber or viewer, and you watch my channel, and then then just invite me to the game, and I'll play with you, make a video, most definitely, probably. I'll probably make a video if you want me to, if it's okay with you, unless you don't want to be on an actual video. But yeah, like I said, if you have a YouTube account, just send me the YouTube name in a message on my Xbox 360, not on PS3. I should have said that, but you might have gotten the point when I said gamer tag. But yeah, I'll probably be making a couple videos like with the screen recorder and my headset of like my thoughts on certain items, like the new Xbox One. I've got a ton to say about that, and I might even make a video today. I usually post once or twice a day. I haven't recently because, of course, I told you guys before, because of the my birthday and going on the trip with my dad. So anyways, yeah, like and subscribe. I think I've repeated myself only 6,000 times right now, right? Yeah, okay. But anyways, that's all I really wanted to say, and keep your eye open because I might be actually doing some screen recorder videos with certain games that are higher quality, but I'll need to get a different computer, which will take, I'm actually saving up my money. I was going to save up for an Xbox 360, but I have one downstairs. It's just, my sisters and the family are just usually on it. My cousins, when they come over, that's all they can think about. They're like, oh, let's play Xbox. You come over to my house, you play Xbox? Really? But anyways, yeah. Yep. So I'll probably save up for a computer instead because that's mostly what I need. Since I'm a YouTuber, you know, I think that's a little more important than getting 2 Xboxes, one in your room. I think that's a little more important, but that'll take a lot more time. But I'm thinking of helping out around my neighborhood and stuff like that. You know, just going door to door, asking for like $15 to shovel the driveway. And yeah, see, the great time is birthdays. Yeah, my uncles and my grandmas and everything, they always give me money, except for my one auntie and my one grandma. They just take me shopping. Unless I want money, but I don't care about money, right? Really, I'll accept them taking me shopping for like Microsoft points or something. I'm really interested in playing that Trials Evolution game. It's supposed to be pretty dang hard. I've played Trials HD. Like you can, my Xbox must have like came with the game because I don't remember downloading it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to check out those people I gave a shout out to, and keep your eye open for other videos. And yeah, alright, I'm a ninja.